Welcome to Okuma. My name is Jakob Simon and I work as automation specialist at Okuma Europe. Today I want to show you a very smart machining solution, the Okuma MB-5000HII Mark II horizontal machining center with the new Okuma Tower APC. The MB-5000HII Mark II is designed for customers that demand both speed and precision. With its high-speed spindle, rapid axis acceleration and fast tool changes, this machine delivers exceptional cycle times. It's ideal for industries like automotive, aerospace and general machining, where high mix, high volume production is needed. The Tower APC takes this machine to the next level. It's a multi-level pallet storage and handling system. This vertical pallet pool allows unattended continuous production even for different product types. It automatically selects and delivers pallets based on job priority and schedule. This keeps the spindle running and reduces operator work. With its compact footprint, high-speed machining and automatic pallet handling, the MB-5000HII Mark II with Tower APC is a smart solution for manufacturers to boost productivity, lower labor costs and prepare for the future of smart manufacturing. If you want to learn more about our automation solutions, contact us via info@okuma.eu.